What a free tax analysis actually reveals. A free tax analysis isn't a pitch, it's a reality check. It's not about how much you made, not about what you should be doing, but about what your tax return is quietly telling you, if you know where to look. Most agencies never hear that story. Here's the assumption I see agencies make all the time. Our taxes are probably fine. The returns were filed, the numbers were accepted, nothing exploded. So it feels safe to move on. But filed doesn't mean optimized, and accepted doesn't mean reviewed with intent. A tax return can be technically correct and still leave tens of thousands of dollars on the table. So let's be clear about what this isn't. It's not a sales call, it's not a generic checklist, it's definitely not advice based on averages. There's no guessing, no hypotheticals, no assumptions about how agencies should work. What it actually reveals, a real tax analysis does one thing very well. It reveals gaps. Gaps between how your agency earns revenue, how your expenses are categorized, and how the tax code actually treats those decisions. We review your last 2 filed tax returns line by line, and we look for overpaid taxes hiding in plain sight, deductions and credits that were never claimed, structural choices that quietly inflate your tax liability. This isn't about mistakes, it's about missed context. There is no rocket science here. From the review, we produced a free missed tax savings report. Not a theory, not a forecast, just an analysis. A report that shows where money was missed, how much those missed opportunities likely cost, and which levers actually matter going forward. So what happens next? Then you sit down with a certified tax expert who works specifically with agencies. That's me. We walk through the report together, we explain what matters and what doesn't, and we answer the questions most agencies never get to ask. There's no obligation to move forward. Even if we stop there, you leave with clarity most agencies never get. And what's the payoff? Why this changes everything? Because once you see what your tax return is really saying, you can't unsee it. A free tax analysis doesn't tell you what to buy, it tells you what you're missing. And for agencies who want fewer surprises and better decisions, that clarity is everything.